As a teacher, let us see how we can safely conduct Google Meet online. First, you need to log into your G Suite account and enter your password to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will see the classes where you are added as a teacher. So you will see the list of classes. For example, as you see here, one of the class, and you are as a teacher in that class and you want to conduct meeting for that class. Open that class. First thing you need to observe is see that the Meet link is closed for students. There should be closed eye symbol. You start the meeting so that you will be the host for the meeting. Control audio and video as you want to keep whether on or off, and click on join now. Once you click on join now, you will be in the meeting and you are the host. Now you have the host control where you need to put off this 3 control so that you can conduct meeting safely. Close these 3 settings. Once you do all these things, then go back to your class, go to the settings, and then make the Google Meet link visible to the students. Don't forget to save that. Once you save that, now this link will be visible to the students and student can join your meeting. As and when they will join, they will be added here in this screen and you can see them. You have other control like you can present your screen, computer screen to the students to show some PowerPoint presentation or other things. So click on present now, and as you can see, your screen will be presenting to the students or all the audience who has joined the meeting. So present now is used to present your screen. When you finish presenting, click on stop presenting. Then you have other options when you click on those 3 dots, and the important option is the layout, changing the layout. You have 4 different layouts and you choose the layout accordingly. Spotlight is something where the one who is speaking will be visible. Tiled is something where as many possible participants will be seen on the screen. But when you are on the tiled, you adjust to up to maximum 49 participants you can keep on screen. So that is under tiled option. That's it. There is no much settings you need to do. Once you finish your meeting, you need to close the meeting by clicking on the phone icon. You have other options. If you wish to use, you can use. Otherwise, be simple meeting and conduct it safely. Thank you.